fait aussi les devoirs. Alors, si la première page, c'est comme ça, je vous ai montré sur le nombre 1 à 100. OK? Nombre 1 à 100, les expressions de quantité aussi, peu, beaucoup, assez et trop. Peu, ça veut dire a little bit. Beaucoup, ça veut dire a lot. Assez, je m'excuse, ça veut dire enough. Trop, ça veut dire too much. OK? So, ça me fait plaisir. It makes me very happy to see you all. I remember Meow from last week. I remember Yvonne from last week. Alors, je vais commencer. Alors, numéro 1, c'est, je vais juste montrer ça, c'est 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, puis, attends, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Alors, tu as les nombres. You have the number here and how to write it in its language here in French. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Alors, on va continuer sur la prochaine page de unité numéro 6, grade 6. 41, 42, 43, 44, 40, qu'ils ont déjà fait, 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. OK? So 50, ça veut dire 50. 51, 52, 53, 54. Je m'excuse, j'ai fait une erreur ici. I did a mistake, but I put it over top. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Bonjour, Yvonne. 60. OK? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 et 70. C'est à la fin. OK? Après 70, ici, c'est 61. 11, je m'excuse. 72. Je vais juste continuer. Attends. 73. 74. So it's like 70 plus 14, or not 70, but 60 plus 14 is 74 because 60 is 60 plus 14. So 74. 75, so it's 60 plus 15, 75. 76, 60 plus 15, 75. 77, so 60 plus 17, 17 to 17, 60 to 60, so 60 plus 17, OK? Comme ça. 78 et 79. Est-ce que tout le monde a compris? Tout le monde a la même chose? Excellent.
Oui, est-ce que tu peux donner nous un petit peu de temps pour travailler?
Oui, mais il faut prendre il faut faire les exercices avant qu'on rentre dans le devoir. Est-ce que tu as compris?
Oui, j'ai compris.
C'est qui me parle? OK, je vais continuer. OK? 80. 80, ça veut dire 4 fois 20. 4, 20. OK? 81, ça veut dire 4 fois 20 plus 1. 82, ça veut dire 4 fois 20 plus 2. OK? T'as compris? Okay. 83, 84, 86, 5, je m'excuse, 86, 87, 88 et 89. Alors, comme tu vois, like you're seeing, it's like 4 times 20 plus 9 right here. 4 20s plus 9 equals 89. Okay, does everybody understand? Okay, good. Oh, now we're on to 90. So it's like 4 20s, 4 times 20 plus 10. That's what it is. Okay. 91. Okay. So it's 4 times 20 plus 11, which is 91. 92, which is 4 times 20 plus 12, right here. 93, 94, 95. So it's like 4 times 20 plus 15 right here, okay? So really what you're doing is you're just writing down, okay, what they have here, again over here. But that's how they get their numbers, is they times them. They're actually using math to get their numbers. They're not just using words, okay? So here, 96, it's 4 times 20 plus 16. Here, it's 4 times 20 plus 17, so 17. 4 times 20 plus 18. So as you can see, it's like 4 20s plus 10 plus 8. Okay, so it's a very kind of logical way of how to get to your numbers. It's more logical than what we have in English. Okay, I expect that a lot of you probably speak Mandarin or Cantonese. So I don't know the way your numbers work, but this is the way these numbers work. 99. And then at the very end here, we've got 100. So you're going to write in this word right here, right down there. So 100 is a different number. Okay, 100, 100 is 100. So you write this right here on this line. Okay, that's what I'm going to ask you to do. Okay, all right, let's go on to page 12. No, we're not on page 12. We're on page 13 now. Sorry. So B. Écrivez nombre en chiffres. Chiffre is the number when you're writing it just with numbers, okay, not words. So they're skipping around a little bit in here. Okay, so 39. Okay, so 30 plus 9 is 39, 39. Okay, number 2, 60 plus 14. So you've got 60 plus 14 equals 74 or 74. Okay. Here we've got 46. So we have 40 plus 6, which equals 46 or 46. T'as compris? Okay. We're all doing very well. Everybody's listening very well. 86. So we've got 4 20s, which is 8 or 80 rather. And then 6, which is 6 here. So 86 or 86. Okay. 96 is 4 20s plus 16, which is 96 or 96. Okay. Here we have 98. So we've got 4 times 20 plus 18, which is 98. Okay. As you would know from doing your math classes very well, I'm sure. So 98. Okay. Here it's 66. So 66. Okay. 60 is a number they give for 60 with another 6. So 66 or 66. Here we have 76, which is 60 plus 16, which is 76 or 76. Okay, it's easy to get the groove of how they form their numbers and how they write them after you understand what to do. Here you've got 57, so you've got 50, which is 50, plus 7, which is 57, or 57, 57, okay? 75, you've got 75. So 60, which is 60, plus 15 equals 75. So 60 plus 15, 75, ça veut dire 75. Okay, do we all understand? Good. I'm going to keep going down here. So maintenant, il vous demande d'écrire les nombres en lettres. So you have to write the numbers in words. So 92, so 4 times 20 plus 12 is going to be 92. Here, 92. Okay? 65. You've got 60 right here. Like 6 avec 5, 65. 65. Okay? Ici, c'est 41. Alors, c'est 41 ou 41. Parce que 41, ça ne marche pas. On dit toujours 41. OK? Ici, c'est 77. Alors, 60 avec 10 avec 7, 77. 80. So 4 times 20, ou 4 fois 20, 80. OK? Ici, c'est 16. Après 15 et avant 17, c'est 16. That number right there. OK? 79. So you've got 60, which is 60, plus 19, which is 79, which is 19. So 79. 60 plus 10 plus 9. OK? C'est comme ça qu'il arrive à cet nombre. OK? Ici, we've got 85. Alors, 80, OK? 4 times 20 is 80 plus 5, 5, 85. OK? Est-ce que tout le monde a compris? Excellent. Here we've got 97. So you've got 80. So 4 times 20, which is 80, plus 10, which is 90, plus 7, which is 97. So 97. OK? Tout le monde a compris? On va continuer. Est-ce que ça va? Excellent. Maintenant, ici, regardez la table avec le volume des ventes du magasin. Écrivez les nombres donnés en lettres. Okay? Look at the table showing the sales volume of the store. Write the sales numbers in words. So they don't want you to write just what it was. So on les volumes des ventes, so ça veut dire the number of sales. So on Monday or lundi, ils ont vendu, they sold 36. 36 of something, I don't know. So I wrote 36 right here, okay? Excellent. Mardi, on Tuesday, which is mardi, ils ont vendu 28. So 20 plus 8 is 28, okay? Mercredi, which is Wednesday, is 90. So 4 times 20 plus 10, 90 or 90, okay? Jeudi, which is Thursday, which is like tomorrow, ils ont vendu, les ventes étaient 53. Alors, j'ai 53 right here, okay? Good. We're just going to keep going here. Vendredi, which means Friday, they sold 47. Okay, so 40 plus 7, ça veut dire 47. Est-ce que tout le monde a compris? Samedi, c'est Saturday. Ils ont fait 74. So 60 plus 14 equals 74, 74, 74. OK? Ici, dimanche, ça veut dire Sunday is 17. So 10 plus 7 is 17. So 17. OK? Alors, ici, c'est un peu plus difficile, mais parce que vous êtes des mathématiciens, you're very good in math, you're going to understand what is the total number between lundi et mardi? What is the total number that was sold between Monday and Tuesday? It's 64. Est-ce que tout le monde a eu la même réponse? 64. Okay, 60. Oh, 64. Sorry. Okay, le total entre vendredi et jeudi. So the total between Friday, yes, meow? Okay, I'll come back to you, okay, meow? Because I can't unmute you, I apologize. Okay, so the total between vendredi et jeudi is 100, okay, is 100. All right, here we've got le total de la fin de semaine. What's the whole total of la fin de semaine? La fin de semaine means the weekend, okay? So c'est 91, okay? 80, so 4 20s plus 11 is 91. So it's 91 is what they sold on Saturday and Sunday, because that's la fin de semaine, okay? Understand? Are we the same? Did we get the same answer? Yvonne, did you get the same answer as me? Yes? Yes, good. Okay. Le prix du vêtement, 94. Okay, so 4 20s plus 14. Okay? Alors, ici. Faites les calculs et écrivez les réponses en lettres. Okay, so do the calculations and write the answers in words. So 7 plus 69 égale 76. Okay, 60 and 16. So 76 or what? 76. Okay. 94 moins 3 égale 91. 91. Okay? Are we good? 17 plus 50 égale 67. So 67. 50 plus 17 equals 67. Yes? Are we with me? Good. Okay. Now we're going to go on to, I think, our last page, these adverbes de quantité. That tells you about how much is what. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb. Okay, it changes the verb, like how much, a little bit, too much, some, enough, that kind of thing. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Quantity adverbs can describe how much there is of something. Okay, so quantity is adverb plus de plus the noun. Okay, so trop means too much or many. Like j'ai trop mangé, I ate too much. Okay, or beaucoup means a lot. J'ai beaucoup de crème glacée, I have a lot of ice cream. Or assez, I have enough. J'ai assez de patates, I have enough potatoes. Or j'ai un peu, a little bit, or not much. J'ai un peu d'argent. I have a little bit of money, or I have not enough money. Okay, not much money. Okay, and these de ou de help you count. Kind of, they don't help you count, they don't give you a number, but they help you get the idea that you're counting an amount rather than just one thing, okay? Je mange beaucoup de pommes. I eat a lot of apples. An uncountable noun, okay, like money or flour, like you can count money for sure, but flour, you can't count the grains of flour. It's just an amount. like in milliliters or in cups, that kind of thing. So, je mange peu de farine. I eat little flour, which means I eat not very much of flour. Okay, so drop the article le, la, un, une, etc. when the noun follows a quantity adverb. Okay, so let's look down here. Utilisez le bon pour décrire la quantité dans chaque image. Image is picture, right? So use the correct adverb to describe the quantity in each picture. So, et, a, non merci, il a, so this is il parce que c'est un garçon, the boy, il a mangé assez de biscuits. He had enough biscuits or cookies. He didn't want necessarily any more, okay? Il a mangé assez de biscuits, okay? For B, ou B, il y a beaucoup de crème glacée. There's a lot of ice cream right here that we see, okay? A lot of ice cream. Here, il y a peu d'argent. And the reason we put des apostrophe is because a starts with a vowel. Okay, so we put des apostrophe instead of de argent because e et a are two vowels and we don't want two vowels next to each other. So we replace the e with an apostrophe or an apostrophe right here. Okay. And as you see, the person has 6 cents, so it's not very much money. We don't even have pennies like this anymore. We used to when I was your age, but you don't anymore. Let's go on to day. Okay, so day, il y a peu d'eau, just like this. This is also, so instead of saying peu d'eau, instead of having two e's next to each other, both e's are vowels rather. We put un des apostrophe in front of this e, des apostrophe e, a, u, d'eau. Il y a peu d'eau. There isn't very much water in this glass. Il y a peu d'eau dans cette tasse d'eau. Okay. Ici, c'est e. Il y a beaucoup de pommes. Okay, on peut compter les pommes. Okay, so there are many apples. There are a lot of apples. Okay, does everybody understand? Okay, Meow, you had your hands up, so I'm going to ask someone to unmute you here. I can't unmute, but someone else can unmute you if they wish. So Meow, if you'd like to ask me whatever it is, or does anybody have any questions first off? Do you still need to speak, Meow? Do you ask me a question or no? Up to you. Does anybody else need to ask a question?
So I can't catch up on the work.
You couldn't catch up on the work?
Nope, I'm still on page 12.
You're still on page 12. Let's go back to page 12 really quickly. We've only got about 6 minutes, so I'm going to go back to page 12. Okay, so you get the problem?
Nope, but it's just
yes.
On page 12. It's too long to write because those are very big numbers.
They are very big numbers, so that's why you have to be able to do it before. And then we just use this time right now to go over the work. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, okay. So for next time, for next Wednesday, I guess we don't have it next Wednesday. We're going to start after the Christmas break. Are you? Pardon? Oh, I'm sorry. I don't hear what you're saying, Meow. Okay. but you still need to do your work so that we can go over it like this. Okay? Meow, are you still there?
Yep, I am.
Okay. So A, you have to do the work first off. And yeah, it is, there are many words to write for sure, and we don't collect the homework. It's like when you're taking it up in class. It's the same thing as class. If you're in a school, you don't take up the homework and do the homework while you're taking it up. You have it done, and you arrive when you take up the homework to do the homework, or to make sure that all of your homework is correct. Do you understand?
Yes, I